Today I would like to talk about the best performing format on Instagram. And you probably know that it is Reels nowadays. But there is one more format that I'm going to talk about later. So let's start with Reels. It's already quite a while since Instagram announced that it's no longer a video sharing app. It used to be for many years, but now it focuses on video and especially on short videos. It used to focus on other types of videos, like when it tried to compete with YouTube, when it introduced IGTVs, for example, but it failed, so it had to cancel IGTVs, and now it has its main focus on Reels because they are performing really well. And here I would like to let you know that to get more free information on best Reels marketing strategy, I would like you to check my bonus video. The link is to this video in the description below. It is taken from my online course on 8 ways to monetize your Instagram account, but this lesson you can watch for free. Here in this video, I would like to let you know that it's better to focus on short Reels, like from 5 to 10 seconds even, because the most important is how long people watch your videos and if they watch it a few times. So if you have a short video, then the possibility that people will watch it till the end or even a few times increases a lot compared to the situation when you have a very long video. So the shorter, the better here. Before we go on, my name is Nadia, and on this channel we talk a lot on business and self-development. This channel is for people looking for freedom, who like to be free on all kinds of levels. So consider subscribing to this channel not to miss new videos coming every week. And I promise to let you know about another best performing format, and this is Carousels. And for the same reasons. People stay longer on a carousel because it takes time to read it all, And Instagram is a business, and therefore they're interested in you staying longer on the platform so that they can show more advertisement to people. That's the only reason. It's nothing personal. It's pure business. So that was it. If you like this video, and I'm sure you did because you watched it quite long, so make sure you give it a like. It's the best way to support this channel. And make sure you check out the free bonus video on Reels marketing strategy. The link is in the description below. And meanwhile, watch some other videos of mine on business and self-development here. And if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, then I will see you next Wednesday. All the best to you. Good luck.